Today, we're going to talk about abundance. You may find yourself struggling with feeling like you have an abundant life. Although abundance can show up in our lives in so many different ways, today I want to talk about our connection with abundance equaling money. Now, this is a very understandable thing for people to have a hard time with because we're so taught that money is so important. It justifies our lives and it proves things about who we are. And we see this time and time again. So if you're having a hard time feeling that connection with abundance, I want to show you a different perspective. Now, if money is something that you have not really had a whole lot of, like most of us, it can be really, really difficult to align yourself with the energy of abundance. And you hear people talking about this all the time. There's 10 million videos out there about connecting with abundance and welcoming abundance into your life. The problem is that you are coming from a place where scarcity is a real thing financially, then it can be really hard to just feel you're welcoming this energy in. And I know what that's like because I've been there so many times in my life, and making ends meet can be extremely difficult. So much so that even when I found myself in a more improved financial situation, that feeling of scarcity still hung on. And that can be very challenging. It makes the abundance that you really have seem so hidden. So here's what I want you to do right now. Just for a moment, think about money. You can close your eyes and kind of just let this mull over in your head, if that helps. Think about money and notice what you feel like. What kind of emotions does money bring up? If you feel happy and comfortable, I would think that means you probably have a really good relationship with money. It's probably something that you don't feel a strain in your life and you have a good balanced relationship with it. That's wonderful. But if you're finding that there's more of a negative feeling that comes up, maybe you feel anxious or maybe you feel frustrated and possibly even a little angry. This is where a mind shift will help out a lot. So now consider this, not thinking about money anymore. Think about abundance. And what does that word bring up in you emotionally? Does it feel different than thinking about money? Think of all that abundance encompasses. Does it make you feel fulfilled and light and happy? Does it make you feel like that sense of lack is still there if you're still going back to money? So now let's consider this for just a couple of minutes. Every single day, we hear of people who have such extraordinary wealth that we, as regular common people, can't even get our minds around how much money they have. And yet, oftentimes, many of those people are exploiting others and they're causing harm to the planet for all of the wealth that they have. Now, think about that. Does that feel aligned with abundance? Think of yourself as you are with the same amount of money in your bank account that you have right now. Ask yourself, did you cause any harm today? Did you exploit anybody? Probably not. You probably went about your day showing people common decency, hopefully more than that, but at the very least, you probably caused no harm to anyone around you, and you let them go on living their lives and you went on and lived your life. So if you take those two comparisons, which one feels more like abundance? Which one is more aligned with that energy? So this is maybe the most critical point of this exercise. And that is that Money is not the same thing as abundance. It seems so simple. And yet, when you realize that the energy of abundance and money are not the same thing, it gives you a whole new perspective. Money is a possible result of a transaction. You can have an abundance of money, but money is not the same thing as abundance. It's a result of something, it's a result of a transfer of energy. If you've ever had a dog, so when you come home from your day and your dog comes running over to greet you, they're all waggly and happy and excited because you got home. And they bounce around and jump up and down, and they're just so happy to see you, and you're so happy to see them. And you start scratching their ears and rubbing their belly and all that. What's happening there is the perfect example of the energy of abundance. It's an energetic exchange happening between two beings that is based on nothing other than that energetic feeling, that happiness, that warmth, that joy, that love. There's no ulterior motive. No one's looking for anything to gain out of that. It's 100% just exchanging this energy. And it's such a beautiful thing. That's something that you can tap into. That's an actual energy that you can harness within yourself. When you create from that energy, when you act from that energy, you open up so many possibilities that you may not have noticed before. When you create from that energy of abundance, from joy and kindness and integrity, absolutely incredible things will happen. You're putting that out into the world. That opens up the possibility of exchanging that energy with others. It opens up the possibility of an exchange for the thing you've created or for your ideas, for creating something of value to somebody else. Value can take the form of money. It can take the form of other things too, but that is one way that connecting with the energy of abundance can result in a financial exchange. So, this is a really good thing to consider. Start a ripple effect. When you create from that energy, from that positive sharing kindness, and that transfers to other people and it transfers to them, and it becomes this whole big pool of abundant energy. Start by cultivating that energy in yourself. Connect with it in your body. Start with how you begin your day, how you go into your relationships with the people that you interact with, how you approach your work. Start with gratitude and recognizing all that you have, even in times when you feel it's a struggle to get by. Take stock of what you do, in fact, have. Whether it's the kind of person that you are, being a decent human being, a caring human being, or whether it's really looking around and seeing the things that you have provided for yourself. When you can connect with that energy, it will grow. We all have this abundant energy in us. I put a link to a meditation in the description bar. Check that out if you like. This is an excellent way to start connecting with your energy of abundance and really cultivating it inside of yourself to approach each day consciously, acknowledging the abundance that you already have. It's a wonderful thing to share with others, especially in times when things feel really tight, when things feel like a struggle. Sometimes we have to really dig down, connect with what we have. But once you recognize that energetic flow and once you cultivate it, it changes so much in your life. Your life will be more fulfilled. And if you want to check out more, you can see these videos here.